Welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my 2024 Beautylish Lucky Bag. We're going to see if I got lucky and what kind of goodies I have inside. This is the second year that I've done this, and I think I really want to make this an annual tradition. I've already kind of peeked and looked at what some people have gotten in their lucky bag, and I want to make some predictions on what I might expect when I open this. I'm thinking there's definitely going to be something from Good Molecules since it's a Beautylish brand. I'm betting there's going to be one Wayne Goss product in here, and there's probably going to be Natasha Denona or Charlotte Tilbury. So we're going to see if those predictions come true. I promise you I have not opened this. It is still sealed, and this is going to be a one-take reaction to the products that I received. And we're also going to tally up all these products so that you can find out how much this is worth. I did purchase the extra large lucky bag, which is $150 plus shipping. I live in Oregon, so there was no sales tax. When you buy the extra large lucky bag, you don't get any choice about like skin tone, so it is kind of what it is. If you buy the $75 lucky bag, then you can choose like fair skin or deep skin. They also had like a Wayne Goss only box, and then they had one for like Jeffree Star, but I purchased the general $150 extra large lucky bag. But we're going to stop yakking and we're going to open this up and see what's inside. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about opening this lucky bag. Some of the bags that other people have gotten are not great and I would not be happy with. So let's like fingers crossed that I get some really good stuff in here. So this is what it looks like inside. I haven't done any peeking. It's still sealed. It always has like beautiful paper. I wish there was some way I could use it because it's just so pretty. Maybe for like a craft or a present or something. So this is what it looks like when you take the wrapping off. It comes in like a bubble wrap package to protect everything. I'm trying desperately to have like blinders on and not look at what is in here. The first thing that I pulled out is this Auric Smoke Reflect in the shade Entice. Now, Auric, if you're not familiar, is Samantha Ravindal's line. I didn't know they were sold at Beautylish. It's, I guess, great for her that she's in like a major retailer now. So I have this product in a different shade, so I'm pretty familiar with it. The top is like a glitter topper, and then this is a cream eyeshadow. I'll give you some swatches of this. So here we have the swatches. We have the cream eyeshadow, and I know you can't really see it, but there's like a little bit of sparkle right here, which is the sparkle topper. Now, this is a nice product if you can find a shade that you like. To be honest, I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of this eyeshadow just because of the color. I don't tend to wear green eyeshadow. It tends to make me look sick, but we'll see. I'll do an update and let you know in like a month how I feel about this. The next thing that I pulled out is the Charlotte's Magic Cream Light. It is a lightweight miracle moisturizer, sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 20. I have never heard of this product before. I'm not very familiar with Charlotte Tilbury's skincare. I'll show you what it looks like. It comes in this absolutely beautiful bottle. My issue is that SPF 20 is not enough. I would need to use another SPF in addition to this. So I'll give you some more feedback on this again, as I said, in my update post. In the videos that I watched, a lot of people received products from Danessa Myricks. This is the Yummy Skin Glow Serum. This is a glowy primer. I will have to say, of the Danessa Myricks products that people got in their bag, I would have preferred like one of her palettes, but we'll see what we think about this. This is what it looks like squeezed out, which I'm a little bit nervous about because that is very orange. Hopefully it doesn't look that orange once applied. I will use it, of course, and get back to you. It feels very nice though, so we'll see. It does have a little bit of a fragrance to it. I hate this product. This is the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I have used this before and I do not like it. I was hoping I would get the hyaluronic acid from Good Molecules instead of this. This is something I'm definitely going to be giving away. I got this from Slip. This is another product that I'm not excited about. I know it's expensive because it is one of their pillowcases. However, you will not catch me with this print in my bedroom. I think this is absolutely hideous. I would have rather have received pretty much anything else from the brand. You know, scrunchies would have been nice. So unfortunately, while this was you know, an expensive product and it's going to raise the value of my box, I'm not happy that I got it. Now, this is a product that I am excited about because I love R&Co. This is the Biotin Thickening Treatment. I have such thin, fine hair. I am very excited about this. I know a lot of people are like, about it, but I need all the help I can get in the thickening department for my hair. I did receive a Wayne Goss lipstick. I received the same formula in a different shade in my bag last year. The color that I have this year is Carnation, which is like this really pretty kind of color. Here is a swatch. It's a color that's going to be hard for me to wear, but I will try it. Again, we'll try everything and see what I think about it. I got a little chapstick from Bioderma. Obviously, it's winter. I will use a chapstick. Honestly, meh. I did get a brush from Sonia G. This is the sheer buffer. I'm guessing it's for foundation. I didn't know about Sonia G last year when I got my brush, but I've been educated. I know that she makes great brushes, and a lot of people were really excited to get brushes from her because they are an investment, so I'm excited to try this out. Okay, the last item in my lucky bag is this Viseart eyeshadow palette. It is the Violette palette, which obviously is going to be a purple colorway. So that is what the shades look like. Definitely very purple. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to use this. If I'm not going to use it, I won't swatch it, then I can give it to somebody. As far as what the box is worth, there is obviously a really high dollar value to this box. However, if I'm going to be completely honest, I'm extremely unhappy with this box. I'm so unhappy that I'm kind of like, do I really want to do this every year? Because most of the stuff I'm absolutely not interested in. Like some people got like Augustinus Bader hair oil and Charlotte Tilbury palettes or things like that. Some people got Surratt and RMS, and I'm really wishing I would have gotten more things like that. I'm going to test them out. I'm going to do an update. Maybe after using these products for a month, I'll have a change in heart. Let's hope, because I don't want to be wasting money. Let me know if you got a lucky bag, if you got an original lucky bag, if you got an extra large. If there's any products you're particularly interested in seeing a review of, please also let me know that in the comments. And until next time, bye.